Mama! Bitch, stop cooking me. Pushing me. What's up, guys? I see you. But as we proceed, Zach got me talking slurs.
Park the Wraith on the curb. Sure one in the head.
I count this bread.
Watch for cops, watch for ops.
Turn hers up a notch.
All she wanna do is pop a perk and get her pussy beat.
Yeah, yeah. I see you, bro. We out here. With the riding. Texting me, telling me she love me. I told her, I don't play that shit. Block the bitch. What's up, bro? Beautiful Berlin. What's up, bro? Vote. No, it is. What's going on over here? Stage show? What they setting up? Damn, they're posted it.
Cops watch for ops. On point. Do the show, shake the spot.
Take this deep, bitch, not pushing me.
Woke up to my
she gon' cook for me. Get that away. Zach got me talking slurred. She gonna cook for me. Get out of here. What's up, baby? I see you peeking. Takes it back, bitch. I don't play like this. Boss, you big bitches steak and take. Bitch ate the Sock it to my pocket, boat the bitch. And smoked it is. Man, I'm having a good time out here. Thank God. Thank the Almighty. Giving me breath today. So I can come out here and do what I do for the people. It's a nice little sculpture right there of a half a face. Oh, don't tell me it's starting to rain on me. I think it's starting to rain on me. She gonna cook for me. Get out of the way. Happy to see you out here, brother, riding. Something's in my eye. Damn, that shit's crazy right now. Can't get it right now. Pop a perk and get that. Alright. She gonna cook for me. Get out of here. Say it on that. No wheelie time. Tires cutting out. Traction control kicking in too much. And then posted it. Dick, bitch, that pushing me. Let me go that way. A lot of people still out here. What's up, boy? Slava Ukraine. What's up, bro? Go that way. Another thing. Ate the cake. All right, all right. And then revoke the smoke to this. It's so good. I damn near posted it. Poser. That's what this is about, man. Hitting them corners kind of fast there, baby. Take this, not pushing me. Got me talking slurred. Shout out to all my delivery guys. La Ferrando. Come on, you got it, brother. Make that turn. I know the people on the bus like, man, he's whipping it. I like count this bread. Take the spot. Turn this up a notch.
All she wanna do is pop a perk and get a pussy beat.
I see you looking better, boys. No, there's no. Thank you, brother. Thank you. What's up, buddy? My man. I'm gone. I'm gone. Quick ride, I ain't saying too much. Hello, baby. Hello. All you wanna do is pop a perk and get that. Yay. She said, oh my God, no, don't look at me. I don't have my makeup on. Gotcha. Caught you in 4K, baby. Steak and take. Beautiful place, man. All these buildings, so much history here. Love it, man. Yay! All right, brother. Take this dick, bitch, not pushing me. All right. Give me a good turn here. Give me a good turn here. Ah. Noticeable. Alright. You're gonna overdose. It's for you boys. So I love riding here in Berlin, man. Reminds me so much of where I'm from. Go ahead on, baby. Hurry up. With the Timbs on your feet. I see you, baby. Nothing better than a girl to wear Timbs. She gonna cook for me. Get out of here. Alright. Don't play like that. Locked up in. Smoked it is. What's up, brother? Scary. I see you, little mama, scared. No reason to be scared. No reason to be scared. I don't want to hurt you. I just want to kill you. Yeah, she's still looking at it, baby. Yeet. See with the legs out. And the legs out. I seen you jump. What's up, buddy? All right. All right. That was a fall. What's up? Shout out from the sidelines. Bitch, stop working me. Damn, what the fuck going on with the light? Whoopsie.
Full RPM here, guys. Make sure you like this video, please share it, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel.